Hi guys! Here we are. She's arrived, the little beauty. The red Kamado. As you can see, it's premium, it's quality, it has a beautiful red finish, wonderful little thermometer so we can check the different temperatures on the meat. Nice little vent for our smoke, or you can leave it closed, it'll turn into a smoker. I am absolutely in love with this thing. Just screams quality. Here it is, guys. And we also have the BBQ Bible. So simple, even kids could do it. But this is not for kids. This is for barbecue men. Fly high at grilling times. It's time. Kamado, here we go. So nice and simple. Grill out. Charcoal in. And there we go. And the final step, a little bit of heat. Excellent. Let's get the steamer right. We want to make sure we keep all that lovely smoke in. Thermometer is up and away. We have magic. Let's have a little look. Thermometer is saying about 150. It's at baking heat, which means we've got roughly another 10 minutes till searing. Let's get rid of this coal. Okay guys, time for the next stage. We are going to take some steaks, put them over here, everything else over here. Little bit of seasoning for the steaks, little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. Lovely jubbly. Not too much, guys, not too much. And to finish, as every good chef knows, a little bit of thyme. Now, let's just check what's happening in here. It's coming along lovely, guys. It's gonna be amazing. Back into half time, guys, back in 5 minutes. Time for the next stage. The barbecue is cooking lovely. Let's have a little look. Ah, excellent, perfect. And first, let's put our steaks on. Now for the second one. There we go. Just make sure that's on there, lovely. And guys, next, let's keep it healthy. Throw a little bit of veg on. 1 pepper, 2 pepper, and we also have some corn, which we can just put on there. Guys, don't forget to season. A little bit of salt, just to finish. Yeah, we've got about 10 minutes, guys. Okay, you little munchkins, let's have a look. Ah, guys, it looks amazing! Ah! Let's check the other side, are we ready? Oh, incredible. Incredible. Should we turn this? Back down, guys. We'll come back in 5 minutes and we'll be ready. It's time for the magic. Let's break this bad boy open and see what we're looking at. Okay, first off, 1 deliciously charred green pepper. Another beautiful seared steak. And finally, just to keep it healthy, we have a delicious sweet corn. And there we go, guys. The barbecue is complete, the food is ready. Enjoy. Let's check that meat. Okay, first things first. Ooh, delicious, juicy, bad boy. Barbecue perfection. Is there anything better than barbecue? There is. Kamado.